Hello guys and welcome to Frank's Handyman. Today we're going to be looking at a couple of different projects that we're doing today. We're going to continue on part 2 of us putting some caulking down on this floor. He's just going to start off by mixing all the product that we have to use. Once he finishes mixing everything together, he's going to start pouring everything down as well as vacuuming everything, all the debris. And he's going to be repeating this motion on all of them. As you can see here, these are the cracks that we're going to fill in. We're going to let it set for an hour, and then once it dries up, then we're going to buffer it. We always have to make sure that there's no debris around, so that's why we're using the vacuum to clean out everything. That way, when we set down the caulking, it's a lot easier. And as you can see now, once you let it set and rest, you can see that it kind of foams up and it builds up on the cracks, and then that's what we were waiting for. Once it does fully dry up, then we're going to start buffering everything around. Once we finished cleaning up everything here, then we moved on to a different project where we were going to fix up window trim. The reason we put the tape was just that if it rained, that way it didn't affect any of it, and then we were just moving all the tape, and then he's going to go into practically fixing all of this. He's going to remove all of the trim right here, and then he's going to start making all the cuts and all the measurements, and that's what you're going to see at this point. Right now, he's going to start taking all of this out, all of the trim and all of the excess of the debris. And as he finishes cleaning up all of this debris here and making all the measurements, our other colleague is working upstairs inside the house, and they're going to be painting this whole room. And as they focus on the painting, our other colleague is just going to focus on putting all the trim here, making all the measurements and all of the cuts. So right now, that's all you're going to see. And then later on, you're going to see a time lapse of us doing all the painting. At this point, you could see that he already made the cut. There's one more cut that he has to make, but this is the window that he's referencing just to make sure the angle and the cut looks right. But our other colleagues are, you can see now, they're all making a lot of progress with the whole painting. Now at this point, he's gonna finish cutting down the last piece that he has to set on the window trim. And as he finishes doing that, our other colleagues are finishing up doing all the painting on the room. As you can see, they've made a large progress. At this point, they're done and our other colleague finished doing the trim. Stay tuned for tomorrow. We're going to do a different project. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, and I hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving.